OnePlus is introducing a new smartphone. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. There will be an under display optical fingerprint reader. Battery will be massive one with fast charging support. The design showcases a metal frame. It aims to deliver powerful performance, more pocketable design. There will be LTPO AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display with large 6.78 inches screen size. It creates the 1.5K resolution with a battery refresh rate of 120 Hz with the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The smartphone will be powered by the well-known MediaTek Dimensity chipset with the additional support of octa-core CPU. RAM will be 12 and 16 GB and storage will be 3 options: 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. This is a huge amount of data for future use. The camera setup features a dual camera system with 250 megapixel wide sensor. That's all for now and thanks for watching.